Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, today I would like to explain two terminologies, effectiveness and efficiency. What does it mean, effectiveness and efficiency in management? We think in management both are having the same meaning, but definitely they don't have the same meaning. Let me give you a basic differences between efficiency and effectiveness. First, what does it mean? Efficiency and effectiveness. Effectiveness refers to completing the task on time, no matter whatever the cost. What is efficiency? Efficiency refers to completing the task with minimum cost, optimum utilization of resources, and in cost effective manner. The main objective of effectiveness is to achieve end result. This is the main objective of effectiveness. And what is the objective of efficiency? The objective of efficiency is to conduct cost benefit analysis. Effectiveness says doing the right task. And what efficiency says? Doing the task in right way. These are the differences between efficiency and effectiveness. In conclusion, I would like to say that efficiency and effectiveness both are not the same. And efficiency is more focusing on resources, and effectiveness is more focusing on target as well as time. Thank you.